The GA11 Plus 230 has always set new standards in innovation and low lifecycle costs. Now, we're pushing its performance and its energy savings even further. What you see is what our customers enjoy. Our state-of-the-art element works seamlessly with the motor and gearbox. Our motor has been upgraded from IE3 to IE4 efficiency. Our gearbox is maintenance-free. All this results in an exceptional free air delivery at minimal power consumption. When it comes to air quality, our GA Plus series meets the highest standards. Thanks to the built-in refrigerant dryer, our customers get the dry air that protects their air nets and equipment. An electronic no-loss drain ensures water separation of nearly 100% in all conditions. For even higher air quality, optional filters are available for an oil carryover as low as 0.01 parts per million. The GA11 Plus 230 features the Electronic on Touch controller. The high-definition touchscreen is easy to use and it is built to perform in the toughest conditions. But the real added value is what it can do to improve efficiency, maintenance and reliability. First, the Electronic on Touch comes with the same energy-saving functions as the previous Electronic on Graphic. This includes multiple compressor control, week timer and more. Second, the Electronic on Touch has a built-in phase sequence relay for motor control and protection. And finally, SmartLink is included as standard with the Electronic on Touch. SmartLink gives customers remote monitoring, for example via email or text messages, to optimize their air system and save on energy. Advanced connectivity and control, groundbreaking efficiency, superior reliability. The GA11 Plus 230 meets and exceeds the highest expectations.